Hello folks, long time since we've been filming because of lockdowns, nothing much to film. Just going to start the riding season, but first of all I've got to get it through the M.O.T. So pre-M.O.T check, I'm booked in this afternoon. Start at the front, tyres have been measured, 3mm, tyre pressures have been done. Right. These are about 5 years old, these Michelin tyres. I think they're coming up for replacement soon. Right. Forks. Swivels smoothly. No play in the head. Race. Right. Lift it up. No play in the front bearing. I think the Hooters work pretty well. So action on the brake lever, fluid in the brake cylinder, general condition, it's all there, nothing broken. Standard megaphone silencer for this model. Aftermarket megaphones are straight. Here we have a kink because it's specially for this model. Maker's mark. Right, look at the shockers, they're not loose, they're nice and firm, not leaking. That reminds me, check the front fork seals. Any leaking going on here? Dry. Dry. Chains all lubricated and adjusted. No play in the back bearings because I've replaced the bearings recently. Nice and smooth. Right, back brake works. Nothing out of order. Like I say, the back tyre's about 3mm like the front, so due for replacement soon. The chain's getting towards the end of its limit, so that needs replacing soon. Always comes in threes normally. Right, lights. Got a safety feature, prop stand. There we go. Let's try kicking it over. Well, first kick, cold. Right, lights. Pilot light, rear light, back brake, front brake, indicators. Got a flash at 60 to 120, just slightly more than 60, probably about 80 flashes a minute going on there. Right, lovely. Headlight. Main beam, yeah. Instruments, yeah. The speedo, we'll have to test on the road. Right. Seat firm. Exhaust firm. Yeah, all nice and tight. Pedals. That one's a bit stiffer. And check the spokes that they're all there, no broken. But generally, if you get that nice musical ping, they're at the right tension. That is it, I think. Well, that's just a basic pre-MOT check, and it's passed in my book. We'll just go and wait and see what the MOT station says. It's got a chain guard, flimsy plastic one. Suppose that'll be another job one day, a metal one. It is a bit naff, no wonder people change them. Everything seems in order.
A few moments later.
Just got the bike back from the MOT station with a pass. Right, I can go out for a ride now. If you're without MOT, you can ride to MOT station. You can ride home, but so always check anything over, car or bike, before you go for MOT. Do a pre-check. Better chance of passing then. We're at East Peckham at the moment. I come here and get my camper van done here. So, 5 o'clock. Not bad, 3/4 of an hour.